How to download and install OneNote app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Very easy. Go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. We will download and install OneNote app through Windows Store. Here in search field type OneNote and choose OneNote app. Here OneNote app, Microsoft Corporation, click on install. Getting ready, preparing for download, wait. After installing, a pop-up window will appear, choose yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your system? Choose yes and let the window complete the downloading process of OneNote app in your Windows 11 system. It will take some time. Wait, and once successfully downloaded, follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading process. Once download complete, click on open. And OneNote app will now open. If you must ensure that your Microsoft account duly signed in. First, sign in with your Microsoft account and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system and use it. How to change OneNote app theme and background. You can easily change OneNote theme and background. Open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search and type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. OneNote app is now open. Here from the top left corner, go to File, and at the bottom you will find the option More. Click on it and choose Account. Here you can easily change OneNote Office background as well as Office theme. So click on a small arrow and you will find a lot of background available here. Choose any one as per your choice, as per your requirement. Various type of background appear here. Underwater and such interesting background you can easily change here. A spring, stars, and just below Office background you will find the option Office theme. Here you can choose dark gray, black, white, use system settings and colorful. Choose as per your choice. If you choose white, then your OneNote app background will change. How to change the ribbon of your OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Launch OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system first. OneNote app is now open. Here from the top menu bar, right click on any blank space of your top menu bar. Simply apply a right click on it, any blank space, and choose Use Simplified Ribbon. Hide Quick Access Toolbar. So choose Use Simplified Ribbon and you can see a simplified ribbon, bold, italic colors is visible here. Simply click on a small arrow to choose other settings. Here you will find classic ribbon and you will find simplified ribbon. Two options available, classic ribbon, simplified ribbon. How to use vertical tab in your Microsoft OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. To use vertical tab, first launch or open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. OneNote app is now open and you can see here horizontal tab is open. Go to View from the top menu bar and here you will find tab layout. Click on a small arrow and you can find two options, vertical tab or horizontal tabs. If you choose vertical tab, then all your tab will move to the left, vertical, and if you want to change horizontal tab, then same process, go to view, tab layouts and choose horizontal, and you can see your tab will move horizontally. So you can easily choose vertical tab or horizontal tab in your OneNote app for menu. How to create a notebook on your OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily create a new notebook. Here are the process. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here OneNote app will now open. Here you can see from the top left corner My Notebook. Click on a small arrow and here choose More Notebooks. Click on it. Here from the left side click on Now New. Thereafter go to right side and here you will see location where you want to create a notebook. This PC, OneDrive, add a place, browse or reset. So we will choose OneDrive. Here notebook name, assign a notebook name. We will choose this notebook name, tips how to, and click on create notebook. A pop-up window will appear. Microsoft OneNote, your notebook has been created. Would you like to share it? Not now. Click on not now and you can see your newly created notebook will visible here. Two notebook available, My Notebooks and newly created notebooks, tips how to. Apply a right click on it and various feature available. Sync the notebook now, notebook sync status, share this notebook and other also available here. You can customize new notebook here. Choose notebook properties, choose a notebook color as per your choice and location, default format, save a copy and click on OK. Your new notebook is successfully created and colored changed. Now you can use it as per your choice, as per your requirement. That's all. How to create pages and sections in your OneNote app in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You can easily create a page and sections to your notebook app. First, launch notebook app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. OneNote app is now open. Here we will see how to create new pages and sections. You can see a page. How to create pages and section in OneNote, we will see here. To create a new page and sections, from the top menu bar, click on plus signs. As you see, click on plus signs and you can see a new sections will release. Simply click on a plus sign and another 6 page and sections will release. Now we will see how to create a new page. From the right side you will see a add page icon and click on add page and a new page will add to your OneNote app. Here you can easily rename it. Simply right click on it and choose rename. So you can easily create a new section and new page in your OneNote app. You can rename it easily. Simply select it and assign a name to this newly created page in OneNote app. How to create a tag in your OneNote app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. You can easily create a tag to your OneNote app. Here are the process. Launch OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. OneNote app is now open. Here go to your page and choose where you want to create a tag. Keep the cursor where you want to keep or create a tag and from the top menu bar go to home and here you will find the option tag. click on a small arrow, and here click on tag and choose a tag which you want to create. All pages and sections here available. Choose as per your choice. So select it and you can see a tag is created here. Assign a name, quick edit, to do priority list here available. If you want to remove it, simply click on remove and your tag will remove. So you can easily create a tag in your OneNote app. To do tag also available here. Simply keep the cursor here and choose to do. Assign a name. If you want to remove, simply you can remove here. So you can easily create a tag or to do tag from top menu bar in your OneNote app. You can also choose find tags. If you want to find any tags, then click on find tags and search for this tag, and you can see all your tags will visible here. All tag summary will also visible here from the right side of menu bar, and you can also group tag from here. That's all.